Hi, my name's Dave Garrett. I'm an engineer. I've been an engineer for the last 30 years. I love science and technology. I started Heykube with my good friend Mehdi. We've been colleagues for the last 14 years. We've always been a good partnership. We collaborate on many projects, and that led us to build the Heykube. We were able to build this smart cube and give everybody in the world the same joy of actually solving this.
I'm a genius.
I've never finished one of these.
I did it.
So the idea is that it's a very simple looking device, but it's very complicated engineering that goes inside of that. So we've solved all the electronics, we've solved the mechanical sides. The Heykube, we've been able to pack a tremendous amount of science and engineering into this small space and make it look like a simple cube. Each one of these faces, we're able to track the states of the cube. We have a very powerful Bluetooth computer inside that allows us to solve the cube and actually control the brains of this. What this will do is walk you from the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. You know, I used to take a screwdriver and crack these things open. I used to take the stickers off as a kid. Lately there's some other cubes that have a smartphone app, but you still are stuck looking at a screen and looking at a cube. The Heykube solves all of that. Everything you need to solve the cube is in your hands. We've opened up the interface. Anybody can connect and program this device. So we release a Python library. You can take over control of the LEDs and the instructions. You can push your own patterns. You can push music into this device. And basically, even a 7-year-old can program the cube. We connect that with a Raspberry Pi. And now you've got learning in your hands. So we're super excited. I hope you can help us get this dream off the ground and in the hands of everybody in the future.